Hello, hola, welcome to the SELCS Modern Languages Summer School, the Language and Culture Show and Tell. My name is Mazalba Nin, and I teach Spanish, Language and Literature at UCL's Department of Portuguese and Latin American Studies. Today, we'll be learning some Spanish language and culture thanks to a really special object from UCL Art Museum. It is a piece of work by George Paul Bush, an etching on paper, and its title is Panorama of Madrid with Plan of Barcelona and Map of Cádiz. Often when people think of Spain, people think of flamenco, paella, sangria, bullfighting, the beach, but in reality, Spain is an amazingly diverse country. Here, in this etching on paper, we can see Madrid, we can also see Barcelona and Cádiz. Let's have a look at this map. Can you find where Madrid is, where Barcelona is, and where Cádiz is? Well done. Yes, Madrid is here. It's the capital of Spain, La Capital. It's a very big city, but so is Barcelona. Barcelona is also a very big city with over 5 million inhabitants. And how do we say city? Ciudad. Una ciudad grande, a big city. Have you found Cádiz as well? It's just here on the south in the region of Andalusia. It's a smaller city, a small city, una ciudad pequeña. Spain, as you can see, is divided into autonomous regions, and each region has its own government and often an entirely different character. Sometimes it also has a different language. So although Spanish or Castilian is spoken everywhere, Catalonian is spoken in Catalonia, Galician is spoken in Galicia, Basque is spoken in the Basque Country, Valenciano is spoken in Comunidad Valenciana. The customs and the climates are also very different in each region, as you can say. So, for example, here on the Atlantic coast, the climate is cool, humid, and quite rainy. In the Central Plateau, where Madrid is, the climate is quite arid and continental. So winters are relatively cold and summers are really, really hot. The Mediterranean climate in places like Barcelona and Cádiz is mild and sunny, and we even have almost African weather in this stretch of land, where winters are mild and summers are very hot. Some of the regions can also be very, very windy, for example, Cádiz. Let's learn some words based on what we've learned about the landscape and the weather so far. La playa means the beach. There is playa in Cádiz and in Barcelona. El río is the river, and as you can see, there is a river in Madrid, El Río. We've already said that Barcelona and Madrid are una ciudad grande, a big city. Cádiz is una ciudad pequeña, a small city. Madrid is la capital, the capital. Now, to express the weather, hace calor means it's hot. Hace frío, it's cold. Nieva, it snows. Llueve, it rains. Hace viento, like we saw in Cádiz, it's windy. Other useful words are el verano, summer. So we've seen that, for example, el verano in Madrid is very, very hot. El invierno, winter, in Madrid it's quite cold, hace frío. Una catedral is a cathedral. Un monumento, it's a monument. As you can see, we have plenty of monuments, muchos monumentos in Madrid. And in Barcelona, there is a beautiful cathedral in the city center. Now, could you please refer to your worksheet to complete your first vocabulary exercise? You have to match each Spanish word that we've learned with its English equivalent. You have 5 minutes to do this exercise, and then you will be able to contrast your answers with the solutions on the key answer file. You have 5 minutes, so good luck, go for it. Hello again. Let's move on to our second exercise. So as you can see, we have 12 words here. And with the help of the pictures that you have in your second exercise, you need to fill in the blanks. But please note that one of the words doesn't apply at all. You can press pause and take another 5 minutes to complete this exercise to consolidate all the language and culture that we've just learned. All the best! I hope you got the answers right. I'm sure you did. And I really hope you have enjoyed this little introduction to Spanish language and culture based on an art object. It has been a pleasure to teach you, and I hope maybe to see you at UCL soon. My name is Masal Oaknin, and if you have any questions or comments, I can be contacted on m.oaknin@ucl.ac.uk. Adiós. Thank you. Gracias.